Hey everyone, and welcome to Paraíba. This awesome state is in northeastern Brazil, and it's got all cool history, awesome culture and nature that'll blow your mind. We're going to explore everything from the sunny beaches to the rugged mountains. Let's go. Next up, we're exploring the fascinating world of mangroves and lagoons, those cool places where land meets the sea. Mangroves are unique coastal ecosystems found in tropical and subtropical regions. They thrive in salty, brackish waters and are known for their dense, tangled root systems that rise above the water. These roots not only provide stability to the trees, but also create a rich habitat for a variety of marine life. They might not seem like much, but they're super important for the environment. Mangroves act as natural barriers against storm surges and coastal erosion, protecting inland areas from the devastating effects of hurricanes and tsunamis. They also play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to mitigate climate change. Paraíba's coastline is dotted with mangroves, which are like forests in the water. These coastal forests are teeming with life and provide essential breeding grounds for many fish species. The dense foliage offers shelter and food for a variety of birds, insects, and other wildlife, making it a biodiversity hotspot. You'll see tangled roots, green canopies, and all sorts of creatures, like fish, crabs, and oysters. The intricate root systems of mangroves trap sediments and pollutants, improving water quality and providing a safe haven for juvenile marine species. This unique environment supports a complex food web, with each organism playing a vital role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Further inland, we'll find calm lagoons like Jacarape Lagoon near João Pessoa. These lagoons are formed by the accumulation of water in low-lying areas and are often surrounded by lush vegetation. They provide a tranquil setting for both wildlife and humans, offering opportunities for fishing, birdwatching, and kayaking. These peaceful spots are perfect for relaxing and soaking in the beauty. The serene waters reflect the sky, creating stunning vistas, especially during sunrise and sunset. Whether you're looking to unwind or explore, the lagoons and mangroves of Paraíba offer a unique and enriching experience. Paraíba has a tropical climate, but different parts of the state have their own unique weather patterns. This diversity in weather is what makes Paraíba such a fascinating place to explore. From the coastal regions to the inland areas, each part of the state offers a different experience. The coast is warm and sunny year-round thanks to the ocean. The constant sea breeze keeps the temperatures pleasant, making it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach or engage in water sports, the coastal climate is ideal. It's the perfect beach weather. The sun shines brightly and the skies are usually clear, providing the perfect backdrop for a day out in the sun. Families and friends gather to enjoy the beautiful weather, making memories that last a lifetime. The rainy season, from April to August, brings much-needed rain to the whole state. This period is crucial for the local agriculture, as the rain helps nourish the soil and support the growth of various crops. The landscape transforms into a lush, green paradise, showcasing the natural beauty of Paraíba. But if you head inland to places like Cariri and Serra da Borborema, it's much drier. These regions experience a semi-arid climate with less rainfall and higher temperatures. The contrast between the coastal and inland areas is striking, highlighting the diverse climatic conditions within the state. It's amazing how plants and animals have adapted to survive in these different climates. In the drier regions, you'll find drought-resistant plants like cacti and hardy shrubs, as well as animals that have evolved to thrive in harsher conditions. Local farmers have also developed innovative techniques to cultivate crops and sustain their livelihoods despite the challenging environment. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our adventure through Paraíba. We've explored some of the most breathtaking landscapes and experienced the vibrant culture that makes this place so special. From stunning beaches with turquoise waters to rugged mountains covered in lush greenery, Paraíba offers a diverse range of natural beauty and everything in between. This state has something for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone looking to relax, Paraíba has it all. We hope we've inspired you to come and experience the magic of Paraíba for yourself. Capture the moments, enjoy the local cuisine, and immerse yourself in the rich history and culture. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and let them know about the hidden gem that is Paraíba. And subscribe to our channel for more awesome travel content. Stay tuned for our next adventure, and until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.